morning. Today 26th of January, Republic Day. Happy Republic Day to you all. So we are in the southernmost tip of India, and you can see the wonderful view of sunrise behind the Tiruvallur statue and Vivekananda Dhyana Mandap. So yeah, just to have this mystic view from here. In some time we are going to those two places like Vivekananda Mandap and Tiruvallur statue, which is just away from the mainland. So we have to take a boat ride for about 2 to 5 minutes. It starts at 8 o'clock, so we are waiting to go there. Okay, my plan is to reach the boating point before 10-15 minutes, so that we will avoid the crowd and get the ticket easier. So let's see how it goes, and I'll show you the view from there. Don't know, it may be wonderful because you will be standing in the middle of the sea and middle of the water, nothing else around. Yeah, we'll feel how it is in some time. Hi everyone, as I told you, we are going to Vivekananda Rock. So to go there we have to go through boat, so we are going to the ferry. There is a lot of queue actually. Yeah, and as today is 26th Jan, Republic Day, there is flag hoisting going on. I think it's not visible. I'll show you in some time. So this is the flag hoisting of ferry people. So special for 26th Jan. Finally we are near to the ticket counter. It costs 50 rupees per head for up and down. So we reached the jetty, so our boat is ready. We are boarding the boat with the safety measures. They are giving life jackets to everyone. We are going to wear the life jacket and board the boat. Yeah. So we boarded the boat with all the safety measures. So we'll be traveling to the rock in some time. We just started from the jetty, moving towards the rock. I think you can feel the moment now. Just offboarding from the boat. So we have to take the ticket for Dhyana Mandir and the Rock Memorial. Okay, guys, got the ticket for Dhyana Mandir finally. Total 4 members. Total 4. We have to remove our footwear before entering the Dhyana Mandir. They have a space for that. do have a drinking water facility in this premises. This is some mandap here. So yeah, this is Sri Pada Mandapam. Okay, but photography is restricted inside, so I can't take video inside. And this is the Vivekananda Mandap. So this is the view of Vivekananda Mandap. I'm trying to capture it from this angle. Hopefully you will see it. There is sunrise calendar mentioned here. In which month, during which month, which time the sun will be rising on which direction. It is just marked on this. I'll try to cover this. Not sure it is visible or not. So guys, it's 11:45. We are starting a bit late today towards Madurai. So yeah, let's see how it goes for today. We stopped in hotel Arias on the way to Madurai. It's very good restaurant actually. You have both the AC and non-AC option available, and the quality of food they serve is also good. It's a little bit on the costlier side, but even as the food is better, you can pay for that. No problem in that, paying for that higher price when compared to that food quality. It's nice, you can opt. Yeah, let's continue. Next stop will be directly Madurai, which is around I think 80 to 90 kilometers from this place. Maybe we need another 1 hour 15 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, let's ride to Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple. Come on.
Thanks for watching Plan Travel Explore. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends and family.